Scene was set very close to the Arabian Sea at Indus Valley School of Art and Architecture, where vice chancellors, rectors, presidents, and directors of public and private higher education institutions of Karachi converged to meet Professor Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, Chairman Higher Education Commission HEC. Addressing the ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed maintained that educational institutes were the solution to all the predicaments. Lamenting that institutes were focusing on producing good doctors and engineers and not on good human beings, Chairman HEC emphasized on dissemination of quality education. He stressed that impact of good education should reflect from the society. One of the participants told there was a need of a desk at HEC manned by experts who could deal with the affairs of medical and other technical institutes. Quoting harsh wordings of communique from HEC, another participant complained that there was a disconnect between chairman and other HEC personnel. Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed responded that he had told his staff that their job was not policing but facilitation. Nevertheless, Chairman HEC pointed out that institutes of higher learning were also acting irresponsibly, charging hefty fees and not delivering accordingly. Harboring on the subject, he pointed out that more and more students were forced to get lessons from coaching centers. Observing that many universities were granting innumerable affiliations indiscriminately, Dr. Mukhtar pointed out that it was their responsibility as they were lending their names. Chairman also noted that many institutes were being run as family fiefdom, where inexperienced, unqualified, and underage relatives were given important posts. A participant on the condition of anonymity told that many third-rated institutes, headed by illiterate people and their kins, deliberately fail students by 1 or 2 marks and then charge thousands of rupees, quoting HEC rules that failures and those with short attendance should be given extra classes. But despite charging huge amounts, no proper classes are given to students. Teachers too are not paid for extra classes. One suggestion was to make public all the grants provided by posting figures on HEC web. While talking to News Pakistan TV, Professor Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed, Chairman Higher Education Commission, said,
different initiatives were taken, different reforms were created, and today after 15 years, alhamdulillah, in Pakistan we have 188 universities. The total strength of our students in the university systems are 1.4 million basically at the moment. As far as the equity is concerned, the good news is that because in Pakistan the population is 50-50, so at the moment it is 48 to 52%. 48% female folks are now in the mainstream of higher education. This is a good sign for future of Pakistan, inshallah. And as far as the quality is concerned, we have addressed all those things, and we are now at par with the rest of the world. All our undergraduate programs are 4-year programs mainly. So alhamdulillah, with the passage of time, into 15-year time, the government supported this sector, and we can see now the good things coming for the rest of the world also and for our society. And about the future, we have already created our Vision 2025 in line with the government Pakistan vision. And the target is that by 2025, we are looking forward to have at least 300 universities in Pakistan. See, the point is that the youth, basically, this is the age where people want attention. If the parents are not giving attention because they are busy with their own life, their career, if society is not giving attention to our youth, if education institutions they are not giving proper attention to their youth, so what will happen? Then somebody else will reach them. So the bottom line is that we have to engage our youth. We have to show them give them the hope. We should engage them in healthy activities like sports, like debating things, like good education, like good practical opportunities. And this is the only way we can minimize those address those challenges. And I think our youth are very good and they have big potential. And whenever they were provided with enabling environment, they have delivered it. So I'm very optimistic that inshallah our institution, they have already started acting on that, and we have realized that this was our responsibility. This is our responsibility. We have to engage our youth for healthy activities with different kind of activities at the school level, at the college level, at the university level, and in society also. So I don't see any big problem in Pakistan youth, inshallah. We used to have this culture in Pakistan that government job is good, pakki job, pakki naukri, pensionable job. But I think things are changing. Now government can give so many jobs, like 40 million jobs in Pakistan and any other country. Similarly, keeping in view those crises in energy sector and other sectors, I think our industry was not also developed properly by now. So the only option left is we have to go for some other activities. And that is a message we are giving to our youth, that they should not be job seekers, they should be job creators, the entrepreneurship approach. We don't focus on our own work. Mostly we focus on other people's work, and we just try to focus on criticism and these type of things. And I have studied 5 years in state, basically. That in those institutions, the teachers are only concerned about their own field, and they work like day and night without wasting a single minute. So my advice to my people is that I call them Darvesh, because they are not concerned what is happening. They are concerned that how they can go for excellence in their own field. So I think this is also our teacher responsibility, that they should go for excellence in their own respective field, rather than wasting time on other people. So that was the objective, basically telling them that you become the Darvesh rather than something else.